Welcome to this meditation to help you connect with source energy. So make sure you're in a comfortable position. You can sit, you can lie down. Just go ahead and make yourself really cozy and comfortable. And if it feels right to close your eyes, go ahead and blink your eyes to close. And feel yourself stepping into sacred space. Notice your breath gently flowing in and out. Noticing your body. And as you get in contact with your body, let yourself adjust. Connecting to source energy, which is what we're doing in today's meditation, is a beautiful practice to do whenever you're feeling depleted, burnt out, whenever you're feeling confused or lost, whenever you're feeling disconnected from yourself or disconnected from the magic of life. So before we dive in, if you came to this practice today with a specific need, a specific desire, create an intention for yourself. We are going to be connecting to the cosmos, the infinite universe, source energy. This is where all the answers live, right? This is where unlimited energy exists. And it's okay for you to ask for what you need as you plug into this source energy today. It's okay for you to be firm with your intention, clear with why you're here in this moment. So if you feel called, create that intention for yourself silently, or you can state your intention out loud. And then draw in a nice deep breath, just breathing in through your nose and sigh it out. Letting go of that intention and trusting that you will receive whatever it is that you asked for. Bring your attention back to your breath and just begin to slow your breath down. And as you breathe in, just notice how deep the breath travels. Can you feel it in the bottom of your lungs? Can you feel it in the base of your belly? See if you can breathe in and feel the breath all the way down in your hips. See if you can breathe in and let the breath touch the tip of your tailbone, the base of your spine. touching down inside this beautiful vessel of your body. And as you breathe out, soften. Let your jaw release. Feel your shoulders dropping away from your ears. And soften your belly. Let your belly take up some space. And then feel again down towards the tip of your tailbone and see if your hips will let go a little bit. And just feel the weight of your legs and your feet. And as you breathe in, allow your entire body to receive that breath. And as you breathe out, soften even more, becoming receptive to yourself, becoming receptive to this moment. And without losing this connection to your body, to the earth beneath you, we're going to begin to rise. So using your attention and lifting your awareness up and out through the crown of your head. And let your awareness stretch way up above your body. Reaching your awareness towards the sun, the sky, and once you touch the sun with your awareness, go even further, moving into the dark night sky, and imagine a far off star and reach towards that. Notice your breath. Notice your body. Continuing to soften and become receptive in your body. And again, with your attention as you're reaching up into the cosmos, let yourself be guided to a far off light. This light calls you in. And there's no effort on your part. You easily reach towards this light until you're up close, until you merge with this light. This light connects you to source energy, the infinite energy of the universe, the cosmos. This light connects you to the Great Spirit. And there is an abundance of positive energy here for you. This energy can heal your body. This energy can soothe your mind. This energy can relax any disruptful emotions. This energy can infuse your intention. This energy can remind you of who you truly are. So again, notice your breath. Notice your body. And just softening your body, letting the skin, the outer shell of your body be soft and receptive. And begin to feel light pouring down through this connection with Source. Coming down into the space above your body. And then flowing down in through the crown of your head. And beginning to wash over you as well as fill you up on the inside. Notice the texture of this light as it begins to travel throughout your body. And notice the color of this light. Let this energy flow freely through you. Receiving this gift of Source energy. This energy can fill up the space surrounding your physical body, clearing away any negativity, any stress. Simply allow this energy to flow intelligently through you, lighting you up. And again, come back to your breath, feeling the breath flow in gently, feeling the breath flow out gently. Notice your entire body, feeling the softness through the outer shell of your body, easily letting in this abundant Source energy. And now recalling your intention, if you had one, and resting one or both hands over your heart, holding your intention in your mind's eye, and feeling your intention in your heart, feeling the sincerity of your intention in your heart. And breathe in the light from Source and let this energy flow into your intention. Letting Source energy support this intention coming into fruition with ease and grace. that feels complete, take your attention back to your connection with Source. Lifting your awareness up, up, up until you find that far off light. And as you go there, express your gratitude. Thanking this light for sharing itself with you today. Honoring this sacred connection with Source. And take a nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth. And then gently, gently begin to pull your awareness back. Slowly, slowly, all the way back to the crown of your head. And dipping down into your body. Breathing in, feeling that breath moving into the base of your lungs. Breathing into the belly. And breathing down into your hips. And beginning to feel the tip of your tailbone, the base of your spine. Feeling yourself fully present here in this moment, in this body, on this earth. And sealing in this experience today with one final deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Have a beautiful rest of your day.